What you see behind me is the after effects of Hurricane Irene here in Elmsford, New York. And we're just driving by looking at some of the after effects. So as you can see, this whole street is flooded. And they won't even let us get past 287, which is a little further down. It's been blocked off. All the police have coned it off with orange hazard cones. So this is a street here again that has been flooded from the overflow of the floods from the storm from Hurricane Irene. So again, check this out. This is only just the tip of the iceberg of what's going to happen when the end of the world comes. Be warned, people. Be warned.